boys and girls. So today we're going to do math, and we're going to do the lesson practice 113 is what we're going to be working on, but we're going to talk a little bit about money today. And we've learned all of our coins. We've learned our nickel, our dime, our pennies, but now we're going to talk a little bit about quarters. But we're going to start with a Jack Hartman song.
Is a penny, 1 cent. How much is a nickel? 5 cents. How much is a dime? 10 cents. How much is a quarter? 25 cents. How much is a penny? 1 cent. How much is a nickel? 5 cents. How much is a dime? 10 cents. How much is a quarter? 25 cents. Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. What's it worth? How much is a penny? 1 cent. How much is a nickel? 5 cents. How much is a dime? 10 cents. How much is a quarter? 25 cents. How much is a penny? 1 cent. How much is a nickel? 5 cents. How much is a dime? 10 cents. How much is a quarter? 25 cents.
All right, so boys and girls, it goes on, but so he just told us how much our quarters are worth. So, boys and girls, if you caught it, will you please tell me? If you said 25 cents, good job, boys and girls. So we've learned about our other ones. We're going to review them super quick. We've got our penny that kind of looks like a gold color or a bronze color maybe. Kind of depends on how you look at it. So we have our pennies. How much are our pennies worth? Good job. Our pennies are worth 1 cent. And we write our cents where we have a little seat and then we put the line down the middle, right? So we have our pennies that are worth 1 cent. How much are, let's do dimes. How much are our dimes worth? If you said 10 cents, nice work, boys and girls. So they are worth our 10 cents. So if we are counting how many pennies we have all together, if we had 3. So if we had 3 pennies, how much would we have all together? Because when we have pennies and they're worth 1 cent, we're counting by 1. So if we had 3 pennies, good job, we would have 3 cents. Just like that. And if we did the same thing, but we did it with dimes, and we had only, let's only do 2 dimes. We only had 2 dimes. And we're counting by 10 because they're worth 10 cents. So if we're counting by 10 and we only have 2, how many dimes do we have all together? Good job if you said 20 cents because we count by 10. So 10, 20, 30. Nice work. And if we had, let's do nickels. A nickel is the one that you guys kind of think looks like a quarter. And it actually does. It's just a little bit smaller than a quarter. So I have all the coins here. And I have a quarter right here. And then I have a nickel. Oops. And then I have a nickel right here. So they're about the same, but our nickel's a little bit smaller. And it's obviously worth less than a quarter is because a quarter is worth the biggest amount. So if we had a nickel and it was worth 5 cents, and we're going to count by 5. I'm going to try to trick you. I'm going to put how many I'm going to put on my board. All right, how many would that be? I have 5 nickels. that are worth 5 cents. Count it up. Good job if you wrote 25 cents or said 25 cents out loud. Nice work, boys and girls. So, because they're worth 5. So now our quarter is worth 25 cents. So I have a little poem for you. It goes like this. It says, quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25 cents, I am told. So, boys and girls, do it with me. Ready? Quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25 cents, so I'm told. So, boys and girls, our quarter is worth 25 cents. So, it's kind of a challenge to count by 25s. So I'm just gonna draw 1 penny. But for a challenge, boys and girls, if you want one today, you can show on your piece of paper that you can count by 25s, and you can show your teacher. But you don't have to do it, just a little bit of a challenge. So if we had 1 quarter and it's worth 25 cents, how much change would we have? Good job, we would just have 25 cents. Nice work. All right, so boys and girls, we have our pennies, our dimes, our nickels, and our quarters. So if you would look at lesson practice 113 with me, and we are going to, on the screen, it shows, Miss Gish, remember, she has the same worksheet as you do, except it's a little bit different because I don't have it printed out like you do. So, it shows at the top, it shows a penny, a nickel, and a dime. And what you have to do is you just have to match up how much they are worth. And then at the bottom, it shows all sorts of coins, and it shows how you have to combine them. So I'll give you a hint. The first one doesn't have to be combined because it's only worth what it shows. And it's a quarter, so that's my hint to you. And then at the bottom it shows, and then the second box after the quarter, I'll give you another hint. Those are nickels. And the last box are dimes, and you just have to combine them, which means if there's 2 nickels, you're going to count by 5s. And if there's 2 dimes, you're going to count by 10s, okay? And then on the back, there is a connect the dots, working with the numbers 1 through 20. So I want you to do that as well, okay? All right, boys and girls, and I will add that money song so you can also look up and dance to Jack Hartman's money song as well. All right, boys and girls, go get it. Thank you.